Hello everyone, my name is Shreetama Chandra and today I'll be presenting you with the topic of process costing, which is a part of cost accounting and management. What is process costing? Process costing is an accounting methodology that traces and accumulates direct costs and allocates indirect costs of a manufacturing process. Costs are assigned to a products, usually in a large batch which might include an entire month's production. CIME defines process costing as the costing method applicable where goods or services result from a sequence of continuous or repetitive operations or processes. Costs are averaged over the units produced during the period. Importance of process costing. More specifically, process costing is important because it helps companies control inventory numbers and be able to distribute accurately, monitor profits to know preciously how much they are spending and earning, report numbers from each department informally and accurately. Types of process costing. There are three types of process costing: weighted average, standard costing, and first in, first out. Steps involved in process costing. Number 1, cost accumulation. Number 2, cost allocation. Number 3, equivalent units. Number 4, calculation of cost per equivalent units. Number 5, cost allocation and costs of completed units. Number 6, cost of ending work in process. Number 7, cost summary and reporting. Features of process costing. There are many features of process costing: homogeneous production, accumulation of costs, cost per equivalent unit, multiple costing periods, transferred in costs, cost allocation, work in progress valuation, cost control and analysis, standard costing, continuous process, clearly defined process, accuracy of records, transfer of materials, types of losses, check on inefficiency is possible, measurement of production at every stage, joint products and byproducts. Characteristics of process costing. The main characteristics of process costing are continuous production. The end product is the result of a sequence of process. Homogeneous products with identical and standardized features ensure quality. The processing sequence is specific and predetermined. The finished products outputted from one process are used as the raw materials for the next process, which happens until completion. Costs are calculated process-wise. General principles of process costing. The following are the general principles of process costing. Number 1, all expenses are directed and indirect are accumulated and classified according to the process. Number 2, process-wise records are maintained, including those relating to the quality of the production, scrappage and wastage, etc. Number 3, to determine the average cost per unit for period, the total cost of each process is divided by the total production. Number 4, the costs of process transferred along with the transfer of the product to another process. Number 5, production and inventories are computed in terms of completed production. Number 6, the costs of normal spoilage, wastage, etc. is included in product costs. Using the process costing method. By following the steps of process costing method, we can calculate the total costs associated with any inventory and production process that occur within the company. Number 1, analyze the inventory. Number 2, convert inventory cost. Number 3, calculate applicable cost. Number 4, calculate the cost per unit. Number 5, designate costs for complete and incomplete products. Reasons for use. Company units or product in a given period of time. Products are manufactured in large quantities by products may be sold in small quantities, sometimes once at a time. Product costs must be transferred from finished goods to costs of goods sold as the sales are made. Managers need to maintain cost control over the manufacturing process. Process costing provides managers with feedback that can be used to compare similar products' costs from one month to next, keeping costs in line with projected manufacturing budgets. A fraction of a cent cost change can represent a large dollar change in overall profitability when selling millions of units of product a month. Materials pass through a process which might need to be given a value. Process costing allows for this. With this, we come to an end of this PPT. Me and my team would like to thank our teacher for giving us this wonderful opportunity for giving this presentation in person. Thank you, ma'am.